So when we first get our tourniquets, we just want to make sure they are the real thing. There are quite a few knockoffs out there, and we just want to make sure that we don't have a knockoff tourniquet because they may not work, and more likely they will not work on your patient. So the first things we want to check is they've come direct from the supplier and they have an NSN located on them. So the two different types, we're going to have the cat tourniquet and the SOFTT wide. And what you're going to be looking for is, first of all, on the tail end, on the shiny side of the cat, you can see there's an NSN number there. As well, on the back of the pressure plate, you can see there's an imprinted logo saying cat with a few numbers located on there too. With your SOFTT wide, there's going to be a stamp or a label on the bottom of the tail detailing that it comes from TACMed Solutions, okay, and it's also going to have an NS number located on there. I would highly advise that if your tourniquets do not come with any of those on them, just send them back and go through the distributor of the correct tourniquet.